Welcome back to Big Boss Discussion. We are here to tell you what happened yesterday's episode. The entire house was turned into a village for a luxury task, and I have with me Kriti, who is going to talk about what happened exactly and what were the rules and regulations for the luxury task. So, Kriti, what was the task about?
yesterday जो टास्क शुरू हुआ है सो इट वाज मोर कि उनके जितने भी बेसिक कम्युनिटीज़ हैं वो सबको भी बिग बॉस ने एक जगह पर रख दिया है एंड दे विल बी चार्ज पॉइंट्स इफ दे टेक अवे एनी ऑफ द थिंग राइट सो और दो टीम्स में डिवाइड हुए हैं. एक का है रोहन, ही इज द लीड ऑफ द टीम एंड सेकंड इज मोनालिसा's टीम. बट द ट्विस्ट इज कि मोनालिसा वाली टीम में वी हैव गौरव चोपड़ा who doesn't have a nice connect with Manveer and Mona and the other roommates, other teammates of him. So वो एक बहुत बड़ा twist है वहाँ पे. And then Swami ji, who's just trying to, who is a part of Monalisa's team, he's trying to oppose his own team by wearing all his clothes. So what do you have to say on this?
Well, I think it's just a trick of Swami to be, kind and, to change his team and to drift towards the celebrities, or he basically wants his vote to be there so that the next week when he gets saved from the nominations. But what was very upsetting in the yesterday's task was the comments made by Rohan and Manveer Gurjar because of the fight that has erupted. So basically they were given this task of rasgulle. They had to eat around 50 rasgullas and the one who can finish it off will be the winner. But somehow Monalisa thought that
Rahul
Dev was doing cheating in the task.
We actually saw Rahul Dev coming up for a task yesterday, so
he was almost winning it.
Yeah.
But because of Manveer, the task got rejected, and because of that, huge fight erupted between Rohan and Manveer, where Rohan commented on Manveer's community. And Manveer commented on his sexuality, which is not acceptable on a national television. However, even after so much of things happened, Gaurav remained silent, who is supposed to be, a very strong contender in the house and has a personality of, strong personality of coming out and standing up. Exactly. But he didn't do anything. Yeah. Even when Rohan was talking to Monalisa in high voice, and
he was very silent.
He was silent. He didn't take stand.
Probably he's very sad of getting in the other team and missing his own friends out there, right?
But don't you think that this is high time that the celebrities have to let go of their
exactly.
ego?
When it's a task, it's a task. So they have to come up with a stand. That's the whole point about it.
So do you think that what do you have to say about the task? Who do you think will be the ultimate winner?
See, as Big Boss said, कि जो decision है ultimately has to be taken by Rohan and Monalisa, who are the team leads. So I don't think they both are going to come up on a proper decision in any of the tasks, which the other homemates also are discussing about it. So it will be really interesting to see how the task is going on and in further days to come, because there are other small tasks in between coming up too. So stay connected with us.